Today, we're gonna go and see something absolutely different, very spectacular. Stay tuned with us. I don't know who's an architect, but this person is a genius. He designed this stunning house, similar to how they do this in Indonesia, when building on the hilly sides of the places, and he's definitely influenced by that. And let me tell you something more, I can bet he's also a keen surfer. This house is an eclectic combination between two very different designs. On one side, we have warm colors, the modern Scandinavian, and on the other side, Indonesia. And the blend works perfectly together. Do you hear the sound? No, this is not waves. This is Ironade hitting the hole 12 in La Quinta Golf behind me. This is the golf that has not one but two courts at your fingertips. And also this is the place where professionals come to improve their skill. Being in real estate, I'm seeing numerous properties in the market. However, this house is breaking all the rules of what you're expecting from a luxury villa in Marbella. I absolutely adore what the interior designers did with this place. This house isn't quiet, it's loud, it's busting with the character. Look at this example behind me. I would say this is 10-foot pintail board. Correct me if I'm wrong and leave it in the comments. This is the fireplace. In Indonesia, they use it to burn the bad spirits before they enter the house. But in Marbella, we use it to burn gin and tonic. The feature that I absolutely love about this house is the fact that the designer, she was very clever. She made this house very loud, busting with life, and you can actually see family living in here, utilizing the space. This is the epitome of femininity. I can see myself having a lovely margarita in this beautiful bar for a lovely afternoon. Julia, my darling, bring all the champagne and more ice. I found the perfect house to have a big party. Who is this house for? I can see a young soul living in here, the one that has huge circle of friends, the ones that are enjoying all the externals and actually 4 stories of the external terrace. If Kelly Slater ever decides to buy a house in Marbella, that's the house he's going to live in. Who is Kelly Slater? 11-time world champion in surfing. This is what I've been telling you about. Look at the sauna. It's 100% Scandinavian style, but it blends beautifully into this terrace, which is Bali. And look, this style does work perfectly together. The best part I love about this house, it's its soul, it's the character. There is so much external space, which makes it exciting to be spending time in here. In my opinion, a combination between the moments of surfing culture and Scandinavian, in my opinion, it's very interesting, it's very unusual, and it's also very modern. And for someone which is a young soul as an interest, it's really going to be a great connection. If you want to know the best part of the house, call me.